Hello techies! Alright, so this is a lab 30 and we're going to look at safe practices. So in this lab, you clear the browser cache and explore security certificates in Google Chrome. And then in Google Chrome, we want to select the kebab menu, then clear browsing data. Use the modal to clear. Alright, so let's start up. We want to go into Google Chrome, and on the right pane, we want to select the three dots and go to settings. While in settings, we want to locate privacy and security, and then we go ahead and clear this browser data. So we're going to set this to all time. We check these boxes right here and we'll go ahead and clear data here. So that task has been done. So the next task is to navigate to a website and then select the button at the left pane. Alright, so let's look at the first question. Look at the certificate for rmksupplies.com. What is the common name? So here we want to type in www.rmksupplies.com, and we want to look at this. Go ahead and check these certificates and we're going to answer the questions. So this is going to be arrow 3. As you can see here, it's going to be arrow 3. We go ahead and click in arrow 3. So here we're going to look at the certificate for RMK Supplies. What is the name of the organization of certificate issuer? So here organization is Let's Encrypt, and visit www.extendedwarranty.com. Does the website have a valid security certificate? Alright, so we're going to minimize this and we'll go into, let's close this, and we'll go into the website given, which is www.extendedwarranty.com. Okay, so this is opened. Let's go ahead and answer the question. Okay, the question is mixed up. Okay, so this is going to be no. We'll go ahead and check our answers and everything is correct. If I find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're having issues with any of your tech courses because you've been busy with work or family issues or health issues and you've not done a lot of your assignments and labs and discussions, quizzes and what have you, and you're not sure you even come out with an A at the end of the course, what I want you to do is to reach me through this WhatsApp number and I'll make sure you end up with an A for any of the courses. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.